Fruit juice. Nature's gift, na? Right? Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and also enough acid to melt your enamel like butter on a hot pan. Yeah, we are going there today. Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel NutriSmile, where I have started small mini series on silent smile killers, in which we'll be talking about the things which are damaging your smile slowly and slowly. I have covered episode 1, in which I have talked about the acid attack. In this video, I'll be talking about the acid trap on your teeth. So stay tuned till the end. Okay, so let's meet the suspects. Fruit juice, kombucha, lemon water, sports drink, even your innocent green smoothie, all marketed as healthy, but they are secretly throwing acid parties in your mouth. Each sip, tiny acid ninjas sliding down your throat, karate kicking on your enamel, which causes the slow destruction of the enamel of your teeth. Science behind it. Tooth enamel begins to dissolve at a pH of 5.5. Most of these drinks, they range between 2.5 to 4. That's not just acidic, that's tooth eroding territory. Let's put it into perspective. Orange juice can melt chalk, and soda. Sure, it is bad, but some kombucha brands are more acidic than Coke. Read the ingredients again. This is real trap. Yes, the real trap, which you don't know. These drinks don't hurt instantly. They work silently, wearing down your enamel sip by sip. And once it is gone, it doesn't grow back. But don't worry. Here are some tips by which you can fight back. Use straw. It keeps acid away from your teeth. Rinse with water right after drinking. Don't brush immediately. Wait at least 30 minutes after drinking anything or eating anything. And stop sipping slowly over hours. It just extends the acid attack. Now, the most awaited part. You wanna know what's worse than soda? Energy drinks. Some of them have pH levels closer to the battery acid. And yes, people sip these during workouts, thinking they are being healthy. Really? So, still think lemon water is harmless? Still calling orange juice your morning hero? It's time to sip smarter, my friends. If this video opened your eyes, give it a like, comment down below, and definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yes, we are not done yet. Episode 3 is coming, and trust me guys, it is worth it to watch before it's too late. And yes, episode 1 link is in the description. Go watch it if you haven't watched it yet. Okay, bye guys. Stay tuned for episode 3. We'll meet you guys in the next video.